Hey, have you ever found a secondhand sofa with a tear like this and thought it was too much trouble to fix? Everything else on the sofa is perfect. I have it covered up to keep my black cat from getting a cat hair on it, but this is an easy fix, and today was the first day after having my cataracts removed that I am able to thread a needle without the use of glasses or a magnifying glass. And I'm going to show you how to repair this. It's very easy. You thread your needle and you put a knot in the end of it. And you go underneath, always underneath. You come up from the top and then you go underneath to the opposite side, almost exactly perpendicular to where you put your needle in. So it's literally in here and out the other side, and you pull it straight through. And you're going to do this all the way across, pulling those fibers back together the way they should be. Now you don't want to make them too tight just yet. This is just to get it to hold together. Put through there, find the spot that's immediately opposite of where you just put that needle in, pull that thread through, and then you're going to cinch it up, pull it up, pull the thread up. And you're going to do that all the way around, and that is how you're going to fix it. Watch this magic. Now, since you're working on a curved surface, you want to do it in sections. So you start at the top, tie it off, go down to where the center of the curve would be, put your needle in at that point to get it anchored, put it back in, put it back in at the same spot. So right here in this arch, middle of this arch, I'm putting an anchor stitch, as I call it, and then you go immediately across and catch up the fabric across the way to anchor it down. And when you do this, you're going to want to put your hand here and you're going to squish those two together as tight as you can and secure it. Now, as you can see, going from here to here and then here back and forth, it's actually pulling the fibers back together just like new. The reason why this understitching method works so well is what you're doing is you're replacing the threads that broke here. And see how this is matching up really nicely? And I'll go over and I'll do it one more time to give it some more strength. But anybody can fix a tear in a sofa. And when this is done, it's going to look like brand new. Give it a try.